Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take you on a journey to master digital marketing. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or aspiring marketer, this video is perfect for you. We'll guide you through each step to help you boost your online presence and reach your target audience effectively. So, let's dive right in. 1. Understanding digital marketing basics. Start by understanding the fundamentals of digital marketing. Learn about the different channels, such as social media, search engines, email marketing, and content marketing. Understanding the basics will help you develop a solid foundation for your digital marketing strategy. 2. Defining your target audience. Identify and define your target audience. Understand their demographics, interests, and pain points. This knowledge will enable you to tailor your marketing messages and reach the right people with the right content. 3. Creating a powerful online presence. Build a strong online presence through a well-designed website, engaging social media profiles, and consistent branding. Learn the importance of user experience, search engine optimization, SEO, and compelling content creation to attract and retain your audience. 4. Crafting a winning content strategy. Develop a content strategy that resonates with your target audience. Learn how to create valuable, relevant, and shareable content across various platforms. Explore different content formats, including blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts, to diversify your content strategy. 5. Leveraging social media marketing. Discover the power of social media marketing. Learn how to leverage different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to engage with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to your website. Understand social media advertising and influencer marketing to amplify your reach. 6. Mastering search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and content for search engines to improve your organic visibility. Learn keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and technical SEO to enhance your website's search engine rankings and drive targeted traffic. 7. Harnessing the power of paid advertising. Explore paid advertising channels like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Learn how to set up and optimize campaigns to reach your target audience effectively. Understand metrics like click-through rates, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS, to measure your advertising success. 8. Analyzing data and optimizing performance. Measure and analyze your digital marketing efforts using tools like Google Analytics. Track key metrics, such as website traffic, conversions, engagement, and ROI. Use data-driven insights to optimize your strategies and make informed marketing decisions. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering digital marketing. By following these points, you're well on your way to boosting your online presence and reaching your target audience effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tutorials and tips.